come on. Hello and welcome. Come on. Hello and welcome. Hello and welcome. Today we will be making our finals examination, our kitchen laboratory, which is dinner rolls with fillings. My dinner roll will be tuna and cheese filled dinner rolls. So without further ado, here are the ingredients that you will need. For the dough, you will need 2 cups flour, 1/2 cup milk, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon yeast, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons melted butter. First, we need to raise our yeast. So, in a warm milk, add in the sugar. This will serve as the food for the yeast. Next, the melted butter. The beaten egg. And lastly, the yeast. Cover it and let it rise for 10 minutes. In a bowl, pour in the flour. Then, add in the yeast mixture. Since I am using a mixer, I will be kneading this for 5 to 8 minutes. But if you are kneading by hand, you will need for 8 to 10 minutes. In a separate bowl, transfer the dough and let it rise for 1 hour. Since we used a mixer, we don't want to over-knead this. So, I will be kneading it lightly and start forming it into a log. I will be cutting it into small parts and flatten it out. Get some tuna, and a piece of cheese. Fold the dough and get it to shape like this, or whatever shape you want. We will be proofing this for 30 minutes. Bake this for 40 minutes in a 180 degrees Celsius temperature. And there you have it! You can now enjoy your cheesy tuna dinner rolls. Thanks for watching!